welcome back to another video. So I was on my way to get some food and came to Manor Park. Initially planned on going to Cellar 8, but that didn't work out because they're locked. Okay, so the backup plan was just to look around to see if we could find somewhere, and I came across this place, UNCORKED TOO. I've never been here before. I have no idea what they have to offer, and I've never looked at their menu before, so I'm completely just going in blind. I'm hoping they have something for me to eat. Some vegetarian options would be nice, but we shall see what this place is like. I hope it's good, and let me just take y'all with me. We're going to UNCORKED, y'all. So this is what it looks like. Room temperature would be nice. Thank you.
Regular? Tap water or
Oh, bottled water, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, room temperature. Yeah, that's good.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, that looks good. So I decided to try the hummus plates with the chips. Right, that's what I picked. Yeah. I hope it tastes good. And the Mother Earth veggie burger, and that's the price.
So this right here is the hummus plate, and it's served with plantain chips as the side and topped with like cranberries and sweet peppers and olives. So at this point, I had been waiting on the burger for a really long time, and guess that take me up, guys, a bag of things that are going on my belly. And you know me, I get real cranky when I'm hungry, so yeah. So along with the burger, I had a side of what they call shoestring fries. I don't know why they call it that, because them fries don't look like no shoestring to me, but yeah, anyway. So guys, just went to Uncorked, as you can clearly tell, and I'm going to basically just tell y'all, you know, my thoughts on the place. First of all, one of the waiters, you know, he was like, you know, they weren't even supposed to be open today, because we did end up checking the website and stuff just to kind of see their menu, because we wanted to get an idea of what they had before we actually went in. And the website said they were closed, which was funny because, you know, Cellar 8 was complete opposite, you know, said they'd be open but they were closed. A whole heap of mixed up. But anyway, went, everything was okay. Alright, so I'm going to go through the categories. Firstly, I'm going to start off with food. No, I was a bit worried, like, would they have a vegetarian option, all that jazz. And as you can clearly tell, they did, which I was super happy about. And their food tasted pretty good. So for food, I'd give them a 9 for food. The food was really nice. I liked it. The hummus was nice, and the chips were crispy and nice. My fries were hot, which is a big deal for me. Yeah, and the burger was so good. That Mother Earth burger, yeah, really nice. And yeah, that was the food. All right, up next is customer service. I'm gonna save that for last. Next, we're gonna go to ambiance. Right, so ambiance, place nice, and like it's a cool chill spot. Like if you want somewhere to chill, relax, and eat some good food, then yeah, it's cool for that. So yeah, ambiance, I'd give them, it's nice. I'd give them a 9 for that too. It's nice. Next, the price. Was the food reasonable? I think it was reasonable because the burger thingy was $1,450, and yeah, I think it was reasonable. The hummus was reasonable too. So yeah, pricing wasn't too bad. Lastly, customer service. Yes. Okay, so customer service wise, for customer service, I would have given them honestly speaking, I would have given them a 3 out of 10. Honestly speaking, and this is because the gentleman now was serving, or wait till he was serving another table that was really big, and I think he kind of forgot us, you know, and I was just like, hello, I'm over here. Yeah. Waited for the food like really long. I was very annoyed, like very annoyed. But finally he came around and stuff like that. So I would have given them a 3, but in the end, like, he apologized. The manager gave him some drinks for us and stuff and all of that jazz. So we're bringing that 3 up to a 6 now. And I think the other waiters and waitresses, they were really nice because they were like, are you guys okay, are you guys okay? So I just feel like it was just that one person. So I wouldn't give them a bad rap for customer service altogether, because the rest of them were really trying to, like, you know, give us some attention. Yes, that's the word. So yeah, initially, like I said, if he didn't come back and apologize and, you know, all of that jazz, it would have been a 3. But because he did that, I'm bringing it to a 6. I like the spot. So would I go back? Yeah, I would go back. Overall, not a bad spot. I think they're trying, you know. I'm gonna try them look at things, so we applaud them for the effort. Okay guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and to click the bell so that you can know when I upload a new video. As always, at the corner of happy and healthy is where you want to be. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.